Hello children, my name is Nagashri and you know what I'm going to teach you? Science! Yes, and who all loves science? It tells us so many things, it gives us knowledge of so many things, especially about living creatures. Yes, even about us, human beings, and about other animals, plants, etc. Right? As of now, you know what? For today I'm going to start with this lesson, ears and skin. Yes, children, ears and skin. Animals, ears and skin. And you know what? Now, have you observed the ears in animals? Yes, in animals like elephants, cows, camels, bears, monkeys, rabbits, giraffes. Yes, giraffes we will tell. We will not say giraffes. We will tell giraffes, elephants, cows, camels, bears, monkeys. And have you observed your ears, children? Yes, do these animals have ear like we do? Of course, monkeys' ears are similar to ours, but they are not like exactly same. They have round, small shaped ears. And what about camels? They have much tiny ears when compared to the other animals. And cows? Yes, they also have ears placed here in the sides. Yes, elephants, they have very big ears. Yes, they are fan shaped. And what about giraffes? They are also tiny, right? They are up here. They are not that long. They are tiny ears. Have you seen rabbits? Yes, they have very long ears. Yes, above their head just like antennas. Yes, children. And you know what? The shapes of the ears. Why do all living things like us and animals, not plants, okay? Yes, why do animals have different shaped ears, children? Yes, why do they have different shaped ears? Because they have different functions. In animals can hear so much better than us. Yes, because they have big ears, that's why they have well developed ears. They can hear far better than us. Yes, you know what? They can hear 500 kilometers away from where it is standing. Yes, so you know they all have functions and the same function is hearing. All the ears have same function and the function is hearing, right? Yes, and the shapes of the ears are different in different animals. And you can see the ears of such animals. They are visible to us. What are visible? Visibility means that we can see easily without any help of other instruments like microscope or spectacles or anything as such to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, similar to that. So, they are easily visible. Yes, all the ears of these animals are easily visible to us. Yes, yes, children. And now there are ears in these animals also. Snakes, birds, crocodiles, lizards. Yes, children. Snakes, birds, crocodiles and lizards also have ears. They can also listen. They can also hear the sound. You might be wondering, do snakes have ears? I can't see them. Does birds have? The crow sitting outside, okay, on the tree outside my house. I can't see ears in that bird. But if you just shoo the lizard or a bird, shoo. Okay, if you just say shoo, what will happen? They will fly away, right? They can hear the sound. And even crocodiles also. Yes, while we draw a crocodile or when you look at the picture of crocodile, okay, just try to observe the ears. Can you see them? No, they are invisible, that you cannot easily see. Okay, they are invisible. Because it is invisible, because you cannot see, doesn't mean that these animals don't have ears. They do have ears. They can hear the sounds. Yes, you know what? Birds, lizards and all, they have just small hole. Okay? In the sides of their head, they have a small hole, tiny holes through which the sounds passes and they can hear the sound. Through this tiny hole they can catch the sounds. Yes, children. Yes, and in birds you cannot see that hole because they are covered with feathers. Okay, feathers that are there on the body of birds. Okay, they are the feathers. Because the bird's body is covered with feathers, we cannot easily see the hole. And that serves as ears. Okay, to which help them to hear the sound. Yes, H-E-A-R, hear the sound. This tiny holes is also present in lizards and crocodiles, but we cannot see easily. It is invisible, which we cannot see with our naked eyes. Naked eyes means only with our bare eyes, which we cannot see. That is known as invisible. But that doesn't mean lizards and crocodiles cannot hear the sound. Yes, it doesn't mean they cannot hear the sound. No, right? Yes, they can hear the sound. Even they also have tiny holes. Yes, in the sides, which helps them to hear. And you know what? We cannot easily see because of the texture of the skin. Because of the texture of the skin of the crocodiles and lizards, it is very difficult for us to see the holes or the ears that are present in them. Yes, children. So, the ears which are visible to us, okay, and the ears which are invisible to us. And ears helps in hearing. So, these are the animals in which the ears are visible, okay, but all are different shaped, but they help to hear sound. The function of the ears is one and same, right? The function of the ears are one only. It is only one. Yes, children. Ears doesn't taste the food. Ears doesn't help to smell. Yes. So, the function of the ears is to hear. Even if they are of different shapes. Whether if it is visible or invisible. No matter. It all helps to hear the sound. The function is the same. One and same. Yes, children. Now, you have to, open your textbooks and turn to page number 10. Block 1, 10. Animals, ears and skin. And then you know what? I want you to read the first para. Types of ears and skin. Types of animals, ears and skin. And you know what? Before that, I want you to read, before the first para, okay, I want you to read this, go through this. Visible ears and invisible ears of animals. Yes, children. You know what? These ears also helps them to escape from the, danger situations. From the other stronger animals which comes to hunt them. So, these ears help them to hear even the small sound, like where the faint sound. Faint, F-A-I-N-T, faint sounds means which we can hardly hear, which is very difficult for us to hear. Okay, such sounds, even such faint sounds are very easily, it reaches the ears of the elephants. They can easily hear such faint sounds also. Even in these animals like rabbits, also children, they can also hear the faint sounds. And yes, all the animals have ears. So I want you to read this first two paragraphs, and then in my next video I will tell you about the skin, animal skin, and how it is and what is the function of it. Okay, children? Yes, go through the lesson and underline the difficult words like visible, invisible, and the names of the animals, whatever I have written. And this, I want all of you to copy it in your class works. This chart, I want all of you to copy it in your class works. And then, underline the difficult words, And then you know what? You have to know by this time what is visible ears and what are invisible ears. Okay, children, if any doubts, please get back to me, message me, I will clear your doubts. Yes, children? Okay. So, in my next video, I'll tell about skin of animals. Bye. Thank you.